frickin' wind out here, man. It's brutal today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I decided to take the bike out for one last ride because the weather is not bad out today. Well, it's cold, but it ain't, 0 degrees. And I wanted to see how the bark busters felt because, I haven't had bar end weights for like a couple of months now. So I wanted to see how it felt, but man, it is windy like crazy. Like it's actually, I gotta like push the bike to the left here because it's really like pushing me over. But yeah, it's nice to get back out on the bike after like a month. Yeah, man. So just wanted to test out the bark busters, have one more ride, and see how it feels. She's running nice, other than getting blown around all over the place. More than usual. Yeah, so I want to let you guys know, I already said in the description on my videos that what I'm going to be doing, but just to let you guys know again. So like this is the actual ride I'm taking just for the bark buster to try them out, but I'm actually going to be doing some mods and things over the winter time, and I also got some rides that I did previous to this. Those rides are just basically, me going out doing my first time off-road and stuff like that, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I'll get those posted up. And yeah, man, I'm enjoying the ride out. Well, the cows are still out. I'm not sure. Do cows stay out all year round out here? I don't know, man. Don't they find it cold? Yeah, this bike is just blowing around like crazy, guys. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'm going to, post up some videos and stuff that I did of basically me riding off-road for the first time. I mean, it's not off-road, but the gravel was pretty deep at some points, and it was my first real experience riding off-road, so you guys can have a laugh out of that, man. My face, I had a big grin on it the whole time. You guys will see later when I post up. But yeah, man, hope you guys are doing all right, and you've been getting out and getting some rides in. I know some of you are probably in areas where you can ride more than I can. But yeah, it's definitely super windy out today, and it is super cold. It didn't feel that bad when I first left, but after being out here now, it's like woo. Like taking this corner here, the bike wants to put me in the ditch. Crazy, man. And the crosswind just blowing my helmet like crazy. Yeah, so I'm not out for a big ride, guys. Just out to see how it feels with the bark busters. It's definitely nice to have some weights on the bike, but it was just so weird it being so so more agile without the bars. I find it was super light, but then it was kind of blowing you all over the place. Oh, this is crazy, the wind here blowing. Let's see how cold I get at 100 kilometers per hour. Whoa. Bike ever agile, man. Yeah, I think I gotta get off this main road. It's just too much wind, guys. Blowing me around too much. Gotta pick my spot and get off. I mean, I'm only doing 85 here almost, and it's just too much wind right now. I guess, you know, this time of the year, it's, you know, it is fall, so it's getting ready for the freezing snow and freezing cold weather to come, which I'm not looking forward to. But, you know, what are you going to do, guys? This is where I live, so I got to deal with. I wish I could find a spot to get off here, though. Maybe I'll take one of these range roads here and get off. I find that they did the service, the bike is like so much nicer on the clutch, man. You know, on the gear shifting, it's just smoother. At least I find it is, anyways. See if I can get off without this truck hitting me. Oh boy. Woo! It is cold, man. Wow. I'm not freezing to death, but I'm feeling it. A little bit longer than the ride like anticipated I was going to take, guys. Nice to be back out on the bike, guys, but man, my head is whipping around here. I can barely keep it straight. All right. Well, yeah, guys, make sure you check out my other videos coming over winter time. I won't be posting as much as I regularly do, but I would definitely still be posting. And yeah, there's some other things I want to do with the bike. I'm not going to say. You guys will see later on. Hopefully you, some of you guys, I know you were asking about the bark busters and when I was going to finish it off. Sorry it took so long, guys, but you know, they took forever to send me the collets to finish it off. And yeah, I'm not too thrilled with the way the brake line is sitting close to it there. But, you know, it is what it is. At least they're on anyways. I gotta get myself off this road because it's just way too much wind for me on this bike. Nice to have a little bit of sun out. Not much, but there's some. You know, beside the fact that it's freezing out, I still love being out on the bike, man. I missed actually riding for the month that I was off the bike. I wish I had a longer season, man. One thing I like out here, though, when the weather's nicer is you know, like how the trees are all full and everything's bloomed, man. It looks really nice. You know, when you get out here though, and you get out here in this, like now, it doesn't look as pretty. Oh, this road's a little bit better. It's a 60 here, but you know, people like to do 80 and 100, even it's a 60 zone. Oh, this is way better, guys. You can probably actually hear me now. Yeah, the bike is running so nice, man. I'm glad I'm over the break-in period. So when next spring hits, I'm just gonna take Chewy out and get out there, man, and hit the mountains, hit the off-road trails. Hello, cows. And do it all, man. I cannot wait. Yeah, so I think I might do some of the Trans-Canada Trail, guys, but I'm not 100% sure yet because I'd have to plan that out quite a bit. I will think about it over the winter time and you know, plan out some stuff. I got other stuff I've already got planned out, so we'll see. I'm not 100% sure because for something like that, you really got to plan that out. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes over winter time, and it'll give me time to think about what I'm going to do as far as rides go. Again, I got some cool ones lined up, and I definitely got to get off-road with the bike, real off-road, and you know, get better at my off-road riding. I might actually head over to the US, guys. I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about maybe coming to the US and you know, getting in some rides over there. If you guys you know, you can suggest some cool places over there to ride where it's actually warm, and maybe I can come over and do some riding, maybe rent a bike or ride my bike over. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. Again, you know, just some thoughts out loud. Maybe you guys can give me some opinions on some places in the US to go. That would be nice, you know, during the winter months here. But yeah, you know, again, just some ideas in my head. I'm not sure 100% what I'm going to do yet. But definitely got some stuff lined up for next spring, man. That's for sure. Woo, look at the dust blowing around up there. I just cleaned Chewy. Now Chewy's going to get all dusty and dirty again. Look at that, huh? Looks like a fire, guys. I really don't think it's a fire. I just think it's the big hill full of all the dirt and stuff. Anyway, guys, I'll sign off for now. I'm going to head home. It's getting quite cold out here and windy. Take care, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.